Put it in this seat. The birds are here.
They are yapping. Oh, they'll start yapping.
Oh, the birds are here. Oh my God. I miss these birds. Y'all remember the birds? Hey. Shut the f. Hey. Oh. Hey, chill. Speak English. Wait. Hey. Speak English. Speak. Talk. You want to say hello? Hello? Chat, how do I teach him how to speak, bro?
You gotta play from every day.
Hey, boy.
They'll get you, though. Be careful.
Really?
Oh, yeah.
They bite?
Oh, they bite.
No, they don't. He trying to get me.
We can try to take one out if you want.
All right. Yo, chat, should we take one out? Let's take one out. No, I ain't scared. No, I'm not scared. Oh, shit. Hey, boy. Hey.
There you go.
Oh, shit, they're out. Oh, what's good, boy? Stay out. Stop yelling! Like, say a word. They keep doing that. Why do they keep doing that? Hold away. Stay right here. Hold away. Stay right here. I want them to meet somebody. Stay right here. So my cat never met an animal before. I want my cat to meet an animal. My cat never met an animal before. You see the cats? You see the birds? Oh yeah.
He's gone.
Yeah, he's gone.
To do it though. This guy's more calm.
Look, it's a cat, bird.
He's probably like, oh, I'm gonna get eaten by this guy. Oh yeah.
Oh. I don't think he cares.
No.
Do y'all care? Motherfucker.
No, he's tweaking.
Oh. Tat, since when cats are scared of birds?
Should be the other way around.
Yeah. All right. Okay, let me see. All right, let me bring naked. He's outside, you said?
Lift up.
Nigga, come here, boy.
How big's this dog?
He's small.
If anything,
Ah, little guy.
he'll be startled, not that.
Yeah. Come here, boy. I want you to meet somebody. Look, it's a bird, nigga.
He's like, what is that? So I'm not doing it. You gotta feed him something if you want.
Yeah.
I got some peanuts in here, some green beans.
Bro, why are all pets scared of? Why are they all scared? Hey, chill up, nigga. Oh, it's cute.
Hey.
Everyone's scared.
You want a cracker? Hey, nigga, relax, nigga. Hey, boy. Say, I want to teach him how to say the word, nigga. How do you teach him? You gotta keep saying it.
Are you repeating all the time?
Nigga.
Put a little radio out in his cage at home.
Oh.
Start learning.
He started learning?
Oh, yeah.
It's just like he's just saying like motherfucker.
The other owner used to curse at him all the time. They know how to say stuff. Now he has a mouthful of peanuts.
Dog, it's like, what is the food? The bird poop? No, he didn't. He didn't poop.
No, it's good.
Chad, shut up. He did not poop.
dropping peanuts.
He's dropping peanuts everywhere. That's fine. Here. What about this one?
See this one? Yeah.
Come here, baby. Come out. Come on.
Go like to the side a little bit.
To the side.
Yeah. Maybe not.
Oh, he's scared?
You don't want to do it. Yeah, try a smaller stick. Come on, up, up. Up, up. There you go.
Oh, like that.
Don't bite me.
Do it. Oh,
There
that's
you
so
go.
cool. Oh, that's so cool. So when they outside the cage, they don't act all that. They don't act hard. Yo,
They might get a little spooked with the dog.
Yeah.
So chat, they don't act like that when they outside the cage. Oh, good boy. Good boy.
They are both boys.
Good boy. Good boy.
Dogs can eat all the crackers though.
Shit, I mean, shit, he can be a good vacuum.
Yeah, right?
You want green beans? You want a green bean? You want a green bean? Hey, be quiet. Want a green bean? Oh. Okay, so look. My goal today is to teach you. Hey, relax. Oh my. Why does he keep. My goal is today. Stop barking. Stop barking. Here, you get out. Get out. Hey. Nigga, stop. So my goal is today is to teach you how to say a word.
You do a lot of screaming. Some of them bark too. Because the dogs are at home.
Huh?
They bark too.
Oh, for real, they bark?
Oh, they bark.
Why they not barking then? Oh, he repeating what you're saying.
They're smart little guys. I don't know what they're always saying, but they're saying something.
Hey, boys. Nigga. Say nigga. Nigga. Say nigga. Oh.
He said, yeah.
Nigga.
If he says it, give him a peanut. When he says it, don't give it to him yet.
Nigga.
Maybe no more peanuts because they're not gonna talk anymore.
We're not gonna talk anymore? Alright, hey, bro, bro, y'all can't. Nah, bro. No. What are they saying?
Watch your ear and get it piercing.
None of the birds are there. Here. No, go on my arm. Here.
Do that.
Want a stick? There you go. Good boy.
Push right up with. Yeah, there you go.
There you go. Oh. Like a good dreamer, State Farm is here. Yeah. Nigga. Say nigga. Say nigga. No, not say nigga. Oh! Chat, why they don't say fuck? God damn it! God damn it! Son of a bitch! God damn it! Huh? I'm wearing the other one. I'm wearing other ones. Maybe for the other one. Hey, calm down, nigga. Calm down now.
You wanna jump down.
Oh, you
You wanna
what?
jump down off the beach.
You're gonna jump down and you
This
can't.
one is.
You don't have to be up high?
Up high, he might try to fly.
Oh.
He just like takes off. But they're like a bonded gay couple. So
Alright, Ted, what should we do now? Alright, Ted, what should we do now with the birds? What should we do now? I just... Bro, stop saying sell the dog. Free Ian. Bro, keep putting foot up and down and then going to start shaking. Oh, they said if you put that finger up and down, they shake.
Maybe some music.
What music? Chat.
I'm gonna take one out.
Take one out. What do you mean?
Him.
Oh.
He's barking.
Come on, boy. Come on. Come on. Come on.
He's like, but there's birds.
Come on.
He just said inward.
Give me, bro. Why you? All right, Ted. What do we do now?
Try to get him to dance.
Get him to dance? Okay.
Yeah.
Some music. On.
Some music. Okay.
Chica nigga said make the bird say nigga.
What do you say? Hey! It's that time! Stand up! Portugal! We got Mexico! France, England, Brazil, Belgium, Qatar, Germany, Let's play football. World Cup! 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 Cup! It's time to play football! World Cup! It's time to play football! World Cup! Hey! Chat. I'm not gonna lie, bro. Hey, like, bro. Hey, keep screaming. He ain't dancing. He's yelling for help. Oh, it's saying help?
Saying help to be jumping off this thing. They're good.
Yeah, chat, they're good. How do I pet it, though?
No.
I wouldn't pet it. They're not using the pet. They're just used to stick training
Oh.
on the sticks and stuff.
Nigga.
Chica nigga said kill them with one stone seed in word.
Nigga. Ooh. That's you. Nigga. Yeah. Ugly? I'm not ugly. You ugly. Ugly ass? Like, it's not like they sing like that ironing and that. 4 grams. Ugly. Ugly. Cook them in this. Bro, I'm not cooking them on the. Shut up, bro. Want a green bean? There you go. Want a green bean?
There's a messy bird, to tell you that much.
Good stuff. You say the same stuff. Ugly ass. And you scream and you say whoop. Weird shit. And ugly ass. There you go. Damn, they love peanuts. They love peanuts more than anything. And y'all barely get the peanut. Bite it. There you go. Oh, god damn it, you almost got me. This motherfucker almost got me. Here, get the peanut.
Ruin the whole peanut.
Yeah. Good boy.
Here you go. I got him there.
I think they're. You gotta do it like this. Here we go. There we go. Come on, bro. I know you want one more peanut. I know you want one more. You gotta get one more peanut, man. There you go. Come on, bite it. Get that boy. Oh wait, who scored PSG?
She's down one.
Uh-huh. Now you want to get the other one?
I think it might be full up.
Yeah, they're full.
Yeah, I think they did.
Alright, Tap. Well, that's enough for the bird, man. Let's wrap these boys up.
See if you get him in.
Play the Quran? Yeah.
How about?
Let me try to pull him in. Come on. Up. Oh, like that. Okay. Oh.
There we go.
W, chat! W! Alright.
Get down here for the phone.
Alright, bye, boys! I wish one day I will teach y'all. Why is her tongue like that? One day I will teach y'all the N-word, okay? Alright? Alright, man.
Good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Alright, cool.
Alright. Man, shout out to my man's Blake, bro.
Appreciate it.
For coming in, my guy. You want it? Bro, y'all don't even want the peanuts, bro. I think they're full. Let's stick one more in here.
Yeah, we're probably done.
Yeah, okay, yeah. I got it. Alright, chat! W's! Alright, bro.
Alright.
Alright.
See you later.
See you, dog.
Of course.
More shit soon.